Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the new King's Echo class. This class has insane DPS, built-in taunt with damage resist, and mana regen on skill 5, which is also a nuke. Right, so the enhancements are pretty straightforward. We're using Ravenous for our weapon, and our class is Lucky, and our cape is going to be Forge Vainglory, our helmet is going to be Examen Ether. When you camp Vainglory, you should just go Lament, and Examen for our mana issues of this class. We want to get max stacks, and we can only reach that with Examen, so make sure you're using Examen Ether. It's the best option for helmet. The combo for this class is pretty straightforward. You just want to open with 2, 3, and you want to keep track of your residual energy stacks. For max DPS, you want this to hit 8 stacks, and then you want to pop 5 to empower your auto attack even further. So as soon as I'm about to hit 8, I'm going to pop 5 skill, and you can see my attacks are going to do more damage now. My auto attack, and 3 skill also uses Ravenous, low cooldown 3, so it abuses that really nicely as well. You just want to get back to 8 again, and we're going to spam 5, and then we're going to go 3, 2 again. You can see the DPS is actually pretty good on this class, and you can loop the buff on the auto attack as well. So it's a really solid class, and we haven't even gotten into the taunt yet. So for the potions on this class, you want to go Fate and Battle. You can go Unstable Fate if you have it, otherwise just Fate and Battle and Feli. You can't Potent Honor with this class because we do have mana issues even with Examen, so always go Feli. I'm going to show you what this class looks like in Ultra Rooms, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be releasing another one on Phantom Chronomancers, so if you have any other classes you want me to check out, just let me know in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe.